Hello everyone. Hope you all are staying safe and doing fine. Today I'm coming live to have a small discussion about the chakras and the benefits of aligning the chakras. Since I've been getting a lot of queries about the chakra healing program which I'm offering. I just wanted to share with you all a chakra alignment session can help you achieve overall wellness. So when we talk about overall wellness, how do we define an overall wellness? Is it a physical, emotional or mental? No. It is aligning all the combinations, or rather I would say that all the important components of your existence, aligning mind, body and soul. With the alignment of these three important dimensions of human existence, one can achieve overall wellness. If at all any part is missing, that will not be considered as overall wellness. And a chakra healing session will help you achieve overall wellness by aligning your mind, body and your soul. So how this chakra healing is being done? Since I'm a multimodality healer and I've been blessed with the different kind of health healing modalities, so I use multi modalities of healing in my chakra healing session, and the chakra healing sessions are very powerful. So the people who have been finding themselves stuck in a same kind of relationship pattern, the people who were expecting their promotion but it was pending since long, they got promoted. People who were finding stability in their lives but they were not, they somehow able to stabilize themselves. So there are so many other things which people have achieved after the chakra alignment session. So I'll give you a very normal example why I've been getting this question very frequently. Why a chakra alignment is important. So let me give you a very basic example. I believe you all must be driving, right? So why do you why your car's alignment is required? Because you can drive your car safely for a longer run. Same goes with our chakra. A chakra alignment is required because we can drive a life, we can live a life happy, safely for a longer run. So it is a kind of maintenance which we are supposed to do with our energy body. Chakras are not part of your physical body. These are part of your energy body. So what basically a chakra is? So there are 114 chakras, small and big chakras in a body total. But when we work on the chakras, majorly we work on 7 or 9 chakras. Chakras are the energy wheel located along our spine, and these are the gateway for the universal life force energies. Through these chakras, universal life force energies enters in our energy body and is spread across the body, physical and energy both. So if there are any blockages or abnormalities in a chakra, we might feel physical, emotional, spiritual, or physical, emotional, and mental, spiritual discomfort in our lives. These blockage might manifest in any physical illness. These blockage might manifest in a relationship which is not at all, which we cannot think of carrying forward. So if you are facing any relationship issues, you find yourself that there are jealousy with others, you don't find yourself being compassionate enough, there is a blockage in certain chakra. If you have any issues in your lower body, like any nerve pain or any spine pain, or knee pain, which is very common these days, you have blockage in one of the specific chakras. If you are fighting with digestive disorders, and you have some unhealthy food habit, though you think that you are a foodie, but you might be someone who is into unhealthy food habits. If you have ego issues, or someone who has ego issues, if you know someone who always misuses his or her power, they have blockage in their certain chakras. If you find yourself disconnected with divine, if you find yourself being confused most of the times, if you're not able to express your truth, or you are not expressive enough, then there are blockages in your certain chakras. So, chakras cannot be seen with the eyes, but yes, they can be felt. If there are any blockages, any disorders, any abnormalities, those things can be felt in our existence. So that is why it is very important for us to get our chakras aligned. So here I am offering a live chakra session for 7 days, starting from 24th of May. So it will be a live chakra session, and you can come and experience the power of chakra healing with me. So it will be morning 9 to 10 a.m. from 24th of May to 7 days for a week. And trust me that it's gonna change your life and your perspective towards your own life forever. So do try those chakra healing session. Do connect with me for more details if you wish to explore it further. It would be a life-changing decision for you, and it would give you a different perspective towards your life. So do connect with me, and till then, stay safe, stay happy, and God bless you all. Bye. Take care.